Welcome to Random Hacking video channel. Today we will learn the installation of Nmap in Android Termux and perform some basic information gathering using port scan and fingerprinting. Caution, please do not try this on public website without owner's permission. This video is only meant for ethical and learning purposes. So, before jumping directly into the Nmap, let's first learn what is a scanning. Scanning comes under the active reconnaissance phase, where attacker tries to gain more information about the target network, such as information about active hosts, open ports, services and OS. Scanning is a crucial phase where its results will help the attacker to decide the exploits to be used for gaining access to the hosts. Let's see further what is a network and port scan. Scanning works by manipulating communications designed under TCP/IP model, a soup that defines various protocols responsible for intercommunications between different endpoints and network devices. For example, a simple ping tool which can be used to send ICMP echo request to a host, and in return, if we get reply, we say that the host is live in the network. Similarly, a TCP handshakes can be used to check if a port is open or closed. To do our task more easier, we have automated tools like Nmap, which is bundled with various scripts that takes care of sending requests and reading responses to create a meaningful results out of it. So let's start with the practical demonstration of Nmap using Android Termux as a platform. We will start by installing the Nmap package available in Termux stable repo by issuing following command. Once successfully installed, we can start by checking on its help manual by issuing following command and choose a basic asset and port discovery scans. In our scan, we will choose the TCP Connect scan to scan a range of IPs in fast mode with the following command, which means it will scan only well-known ports to save our time. We got a quite good results and also found one interesting host running SMB and NetBIOS services in our network. We can scan all 65,535 ports against the target host to get more open ports. We found more open ports of the host on this new scan. Now let's try to discover operating system and other useful information about the host by utilizing the Nmap script engine. The following directory contains built-in Nmap scripts which can be utilized based on the requirements. Let's check if we have any SMB fingerprinting script which can be used to get host infos. We got our required script. Let's import and utilize it by issuing following Nmap command. To get better results, the script must be used with the Connect scan option, which was used in our first scan. Since this is SMB fingerprinting, we have to choose the SMB port 445 against the target machine. Our scan successfully returned the output detailing about the host operating system, computer name, workgroup and system time. For more information on the Nmap commands and its working, you can visit the following official website. If you think you have learned something from this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for new hacking videos.